My one kid poems. Peacock. The peacocks are national bird. Stunning, colorful feathers. They has a long tail, many unique eye spots. They living in forest, symbolize beauty and royalty. It has nice crown on its head. They are the participate for ground in the beauty of nature by their dancings and nice looks. Others English and conversations. Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed a man B.Ed course. I like to study different varieties books to acquire knowledge, and I like to watch the TV programs and other social activities. May I come in, sir? Yes, come here and take your seat. Why are you interested for participate in this job? I am thinking. I am thinking that it is the best job. How many years experience have you? 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 30,000 salary. How do you take carefully to your body health? We should be take carefully and conscious for our body health, so we should be eat the vegetables and fruits and the delicious and nutritious and proteinous food, and we should be take waters 5 liters and have a necessary good exercise and walkings and have a necessary mental health. Conversations. Hi Riva, how are you? I am confused for meeting and seeing you. For a long time I was not meeting and seeing with you, so I invited to you for lunch in my house. Okay, I am trying to meeting and seeing with you, but I have not time for the pressures of working in my office, but I shall go to your house for lunch on the Sunday. I am waiting for your coming. Hi, sir. I want to leave before the time. Why are you leave before the time? I am seeking the headache and I have a pain of stomach. Okay. Other conversations. Hi mom, my birthday has been coming after 2 days. I remember to eat. I have arranged a birthday party for you. Who are called? Your friends are called. Hi Reba, my birthday has been coming after 2 days. I invited to you and called to you and your all family for participate in this birthday party. I want to spending my time on birthday with you and have a fun of lot with you. Hi respected sir, I shall not attend in my class for the long times because I shall not stay in my own house. I shall go to the village house for the weddings of my brother, so I shall be very busy. Please request my apply and oblige.